Good morning, everybody. It is 6:45 right now, and I'm about to go get some coffee because I feel awful. It's like when you wake up really early and you didn't even drink the night before, but it feels like you have a hangover. So I'm gonna get myself some coffee because we gotta leave at 9 for the airport. And Chief loves Dutch Bros, right, buddy? Because he gets a treat. They give him a treat whenever we go. And I'm trying to spend some quality time with Chief before I head out of town. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Mwah. What'd you treat, boy? Good boy.
There you go.
Good boy, Chief. Alright, so I got my coffee, I'm ready to go. So now all I gotta do is I gotta go back, and I pretty much have everything packed, but I gotta double check my list, make sure everything's in there, and then we're headed to the airport. What are you doing, you goofy dog? Chief, are you gonna miss me, buddy? Are you gonna miss me? Alright guys, we're all packed up. I got my bags in the car, got the camera bag on my back, and we're ready to go. It's a tough fit, man. There we go. Here we go. Ah! Good boy. Anything you'd like to say to our viewers before you're gone for 2 weeks?
Have a great trip. Get better.
Bye. Love you, okay? I'll be back. I'll be back.
You opt out on purpose.
Alright, you guys, we just got our bags. I wasn't able to film during the flight because I was sitting between two strangers and that would have been awkward. But we're about to head off to Bourbon Street and have a nice meal after we get our rental car. Woo! Just got to the rental car. Check it out. It's an Outback. Put another shrimp on the bobby. We're ready to go. The keys are in here. Supposedly just sit in here, which is kind of sketch because I feel like anyone could just come in here and take rental cars. But we're ready to go to Baton Rouge. But first, we're gonna go to Bourbon Street and grab a beer. You ready, Cody?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we made it to Bourbon Street and it is crazy. I was not expecting it to be like this. Just on a regular Sunday afternoon, there's people out everywhere. So we're about to go find a good place to eat. We're gonna grab a beer and yeah, who knows? We'll just show you guys around the city. So we just grabbed a beer right now. We're getting some chicken at Willie's Chicken Shack.
Strength and balance on the milk crate. We used milk crates because we didn't have money for gymnastics in the hood. Wait a minute, fill my cup, put some nigga in it. Take a sip, sign a check. Julio
yo, get the stretch.
Oh yeah, here we go for real this time, beautiful people. So please keep it open on that side. This is the move you saw him do on You Got Served and America's Got Talent. But in the words of my ex-girlfriend, get your camera ready because this next move don't last that long.
Don't believe it, just watch. Come on. Don't believe it, just watch.
And for the people that's trying to squeeze their way out the crowd and run, that didn't tip, please don't walk out of our life like our dad did. Leave something. Remember, this is a street show. We're not asking for your purse or your wallet. Why not tip? She enjoyed herself. She tipped and she twerked. That's right, ladies. If you pay, you can touch. Fellas, if you pay, thank you. I see you, girl. Tall drink of water. Oh, dang. You just bring it out of him, huh? Y'all about to get him pregnant. Anybody else feeling guilty? There's no penalty.
All right, so that was crazy. First time on Bourbon Street. Now we are driving, I think like an hour and a half to the hotel in Baton Rouge. And we're waking up early tomorrow to go film at Louisiana State. So we gotta hit the road right now.
Up and down, round and round, life is like a merry-go. Here we are, what's it now? Should I be like, there we go? Who you with, where you at? Asking me like, where you go? There she is, that's my girl. Should I be like, there she go?
Alright guys, after a long day of traveling, we finally made it to the hotel. It is the Best Western. Cody's right here behind me. Look at all this equipment that we got. I got my drone, my backpack, this heavy ass backpack right here. Cody's got 2 bags and he's about to vlog right now too. Is this vlogception? Nothing better than some vlogception. Oh.
I'm not starting yet.
Okay, well anyways guys, let's go to the room. Credit or debit? Oh, that's wrong. There we go. Oh. Shit. Well, I guess I'll take this bed. Woohoo! Oh.
Oh, hell yeah.
Looks pretty decent, yeah.
I ain't complaining.
Nice and made. So this is our beautiful room. See my mistress over here editing. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Tomorrow we're waking up super early and I'm filming an Ernie video at LSU, so I gotta shave all this. Therefore, I'm gonna look like an idiot because everyone knows I look stupid without facial hair. But I thank you guys for watching the video. You're gonna be with me the whole entire journey of this tour. It's gonna be insane. This is the first vlog. We literally just got here today and it's kind of more of a transitions vlog, but we got some cool footage at I think it was Bourbon Street. Yeah, Bourbon Street here in New Orleans. So thanks for watching the video. Please drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, this has been an episode of Big Doss Vlogs. Peace, guys.